the qualities of the servants of Allah, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has called them. These are my special servants. They are the servants of Rahman. We mentioned all the qualities, alhamdulillah. Those of us that did not listen can listen online, inshallah. Then we ended off that Allah ta'ala had given them a special incentive and an abode at the end. That after having all the qualities of Ibadur Rahman, Allah ta'ala says that these are the people that they will be granted Jannah. Jannah is their abode. And there will be a Guraf. What is Guraf in Jannah? Jannah, Guraf means a balcony or rooms of Jannah. The room of Jannah is not like today's room, where we, book a hotel and we have one small room and you end up paying an arm and a leg. No. The Guraf of Jannah, the balconies of Jannah will be upon the trees of Jannah. What is the tree of Jannah? You might say that sounds a little boring, that a balcony on a tree. No. They'll be like the Burj. Like today, we have all these big kings, they competing with each other, building this Burj and that Burj, this tower and that tower. One country says we have the longest tower, another one says we have the highest tower. The trees of Jannah will be made of these towers. So as a person will ascend in those trees with their lifts or whatever means of conveyance, they'll move to a higher stage of Jannah. They'll move to a higher Guraf and a greater balcony. And one of those trees in Jannah is described as Tuba. Anyway, the beginning of my bayan is supposed to be something else, but chalo, we went on this way anyway. So Tuba. What is Tuba? Tuba liman kana lana wa kunna lahu. The Hoors of Jannah, they sing the song that Tuba, glad tidings for that person who is for us and we are for him. So ulama explain, even in the Quran, Tuba has been mentioned. So what is Tuba? One of the explanations is Tuba is a tree in Jannah. The tree of Jannah, the bark of which is made out of silver, the branches of which is made out of gold. And upon every branch of this tree there will be balconies. And upon each branch of this tree there will be 80,000 balconies which will have 80,000 rooms. And in each room there will be 80,000 different varieties and 80,000 accesses that you can go into your bedroom. And it is mentioned that your Hoor will be lived there. We done a full discussion on Hoor. We don't want to start it again. Some brothers had to rush home straight away. But nevertheless, in this there will be 80,000 delicacies that will be presented for you. 80,000 foods, desserts, dishes that will be given. And the Jannati will go through all 80,000 of them, enjoying the different delicacies of Jannah.